today we're checking out this RedRock Underhood insulation in black for the 2021 and newer Broncos. If you're wanting a quieter cabin, a cleaner looking engine bay, and extra heat protection for the hood, this is an easy option that makes day-to-day driving a little more peaceful, so it's definitely worth checking out. The key feature here is going to start with real sound control and heat management along the way. This pad is going to help knock down any engine noise that can work its way through the firewall, and it also adds a thermal barrier between the engine and your hood's paint, so heat soak is less of a concern after long drives or those trail days. It's cut perfectly to the Bronco's hood shape with the latch and the washer passages already accounted for, so it sits flat and it looks factory once it's installed. Most folks are going to add underhood insulation like this when they're chasing a quieter ride, especially on the highways, or maybe you want to finish out a blacked out look and match other black trim on the vehicle. When it comes to the construction on this one, you're getting a dense, heat-resistant composite pad with a black finish that's going to help hide dust, and it wipes clean from engine bay debris. The panel is molded with reliefs, so it nests into the hood's bracing, and the edges are trimmed perfectly smooth to prevent any fraying. It's going to use factory-style retainers for a snug and rattle-free fit, and once it's in place, it's not going to sag down and touch any hot components in the engine bay. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $100 price range. For a direct fit insulation pad that lowers noise, shields your paint, and installs just like stock for a perfect vehicle specific fit, this is sitting at a pretty solid value in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 15 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a clip removal tool. Today we're gonna be installing some hood insulation on our Bronco, so let's get started. So we've got our hood open. The first thing we need to do is remove our factory insulation panel. Now, this is a good thing because a lot of times these get beat up over time. This is held in by a bunch of push clips along the way throughout your hood. So we're just gonna grab a clip tool and pop these out. Try not to drop them in your engine bay. And you definitely wanna hold a hand under here or even drape a towel or something flat like a cardboard box over top of your engine to prevent these from falling into your engine bay and being lost forever. Once you have your last clip out, remove your factory insulation. So now we can get our new hood insulation in place. Now you want to take note of the direction of your honeycombs. They're going to match up with the inserts of our hood. So we're going to grab our new provided clips. We'll get the first couple set through the insulation itself. This is going to make it easier to pop them in. We'll line these up. These in place. Then we can go around and install our new provided clips. And we'll just line these up. We'll get our outer perimeter ones in first. That's going to hold our insulation. Then we'll come back and do the interior ones. Now we'll get the rest of our clips installed. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock Underhood insulation in black finish for your 21 to current Bronco. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.